everybody, my name is Candace and I am a licensed hairstylist, and today I want to do a small tutorial on flat irons. So I will discuss the ceramic flat irons and titanium flat irons. So this is a ceramic flat iron that I actually borrowed from my mother just to do the video. And this one is by Revlon. So flat irons like this you'll usually find in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, probably Walmart, stores like that. And I personally do not care for this particular flat iron, even though it is a ceramic flat iron. And the reason why I don't care for it is because it doesn't get as hot, and also it doesn't have even heat distribution. Okay, so the next flat iron that's a ceramic flat iron is my FHI flat iron. Now this one is okay. It's not my favorite flat iron, even though it's good for short hair. I personally do not like it. But it's okay. What else can I say about this flat iron? It gets hot. But I just don't like it. I use it on my hair. I don't use it on my customers. I don't like it. And this is another flat iron that I had for so many years. This is a ceramic flat iron. And ceramic flat irons, most ceramic flat irons are coated with aluminum. So you have to be careful when you're purchasing a ceramic flat iron. You want to make sure that it's 100% ceramic. On the bottom of the plate and underneath the plate, you want to make sure that it's 100% ceramic. Okay. Now titanium, I love titanium flat irons. Now this is a titanium flat iron. This is a titanium Red Pro flat iron that I absolutely love, and it's absolutely wonderful. I love the plates. As you can see, titanium flat irons, it has a smooth texture, and it's also silver. It gets hot really good. I love the heat distribution. Also, you can change the temperatures depending on the texture of the person's hair. If somebody's hair is coarse, titanium flat irons are the best flat irons from coarse hair. Okay. My next flat iron is my baby. As you can see, I do a lot of work with this one. This is my Babyliss titanium flat iron. This one also is a wonderful flat iron. It's very light. It's not heavy. You have different heat textures. Heat temperatures for different textures of hair that you're going to use. And I absolutely love them. I don't have them plugged in because I wanted to give everybody an overview of the different type of flat irons, and I didn't want the cords all over the place. So that's why I don't have them plugged in. But when they are plugged in, you can see they have different heat levels, so you can decide which level is best for your client's hair. Now this is my Rusk flat iron. This is also titanium, and this flat iron is absolutely heavy in weight, very heavy. And I love it. I love this flat iron because if someone's hair is extremely coarse and you really want to do a flat iron, a silk press, this right here is the truth. This one is too. My Babyliss is too, but this right here is the truth. It's a little expensive. As you can see, Rusk, I'm not sure which way it's going to go. But, yes. So, and titanium flat irons, again, is for coarse textured hair, even though they do have the different heat temperatures, but it's mainly for coarse. And you can change the heat temperatures depending on the client's hair. The ceramic temperatures, the ceramic flat irons are basically for people who have fine to medium texture hair. Okay. Which doesn't require a lot of heat because they really don't get as hot as the titanium flat irons. So the next video that I do, I'll flat iron my hair so you can tell the difference, so you can see the difference between the ceramic flat iron and the titanium flat iron. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram, and I am at hair by Candace, hair _by _Candace, CANDIS, and I'm also on Facebook, and I'm under hair by Candace. All right, thank you and have a good day.